How to become a Fiverr Pro Seller. First of all, open your browser and go to fiverr.com. Log into your existing Fiverr account because you must have a seller profile before applying for Fiverr Pro. Once you are logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and find the link that says Fiverr Pro. Click on it to visit the Pro application page. Now on the Fiverr Pro page, you will see detailed information about how pro sellers are verified professionals with proven experience and exceptional service quality. Click on Submit your application to begin your application. You will then need to select a category or niche you want to apply for, such as writing, design, video editing, marketing, or programming. Choose the one that matches your expertise best and then click Next. After that, you will be asked to provide detailed professional information such as your years of experience, education, portfolio links, and examples of your previous work. Make sure to fill this part carefully because Fiverr's Pro team manually reviews every application to ensure authenticity and skill level. Next, write a strong and honest description about yourself. Highlight what makes your services unique, your achievements, and how clients have benefited from your work in the past. Avoid exaggeration and keep your tone professional. Once you have completed all steps, click Submit. It might take a few days for Fiverr's team to review your request. If approved, you will receive an email confirmation and your profile will officially display the Fiverr Pro badge, giving you access to premium clients and higher paying projects. Now you know how to become a Fiverr Pro seller. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more freelancing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.